Welcome to my channel Happy Healthy Life. Today, oats are the best drink for weight loss. Thank you for joining us today on my Happy Healthy Life channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Oats are the best drink for weight loss. Welcome to my Happy Healthy Life channel. Today, we're exploring why oats are the best drink for weight loss. We'll break down the science behind oats and their amazing health benefits, and show you a simple recipe for making a delicious oat drink at home. Let's get started. Oats are a great addition to any weight loss plan. They're packed with nutrients that help you stay full and satisfied. But what makes oats so effective for weight loss? First, oats contain a type of soluble fiber known as beta-glucan. This fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive system, which slows down digestion and makes you feel full longer. This can help you reduce your total calorie intake. Beta-glucan also helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates. This means you won't experience the highs and crashes that lead to food cravings and overeating. In addition, oats contain avenanthramides, antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Reducing inflammation is crucial for weight loss because chronic inflammation can lead to weight gain and make losing weight more difficult. Oats are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as manganese, phosphorus, magnesium and iron. These nutrients support overall health and energy levels, making it easy to stay active and motivated on your weight loss journey. Recipe preparation. Now, let us show you how to make a delicious oatmeal drink that is perfect for any time of the day. For our oat drink, you'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional. First, soak the oats in water for about 30 minutes. This softens them and makes blending easier. After soaking, drain the oats and add them to a blender along with the almond milk and banana. Blend until smooth. If you like a sweeter drink, add a tablespoon of honey and blend again. Pour your oat drink into a glass, and it's ready to enjoy. This drink is not only nutritious but also helps keep you full and satisfied. And there you have it. Oats are truly a versatile and beneficial addition to your diet, especially for weight loss. Their unique components, like beta-glucan and avenanthramides, help control hunger, regulate blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. Plus, making an oat drink is quick and easy. Thank you for joining us today on Happy Healthy Life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your oat drink creations in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.